Where's the dude? I'm gonna run. I can run that way.
We got them in this building right here.
Where? That's the
library. They're in the library. They're also in this lawn building right here.
They're putting it that way.
Behind you.
They're all at the. Got it? Hey, Whiskey, I got him. I got the guys. Hey, we need help right here.